Hello kids, this is Sneha Miss and now we are doing page number 38 of Maths workbook. So first we'll read the instructions. Look at the objects in each row carefully. Draw the given objects in the ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So first we have to find out the smallest one object, and which is that? A yellow cup. So first we'll draw a yellow cup. So a smallest yellow cup. Now we'll find out the little bit bigger than this yellow cup. And which one is that? Come on, let's find out. Yes, a blue cup. So now we will draw a blue cup, little bit bigger than yellow cup. See this way. All of you have to draw it. A blue cup, yellow, then blue. Now let's find out which one is little bit bigger than blue. Red or green? Yes, it's red. So now we'll draw a red cup. Come on, draw it like this. See, the red cup is also ready. Now which one is the biggest one? That will come at the end. And the biggest cup is green. So here we will make a green cup. See this. See this. A small one, then a little bit bigger, then a little bit more bigger, and a biggest one. This is ascending order. Small to big. Small to big. Now let's find out with this cup. So first we'll find out the smallest one cup. A smallest one. Where is that? This one, this one, this one, then this one. Yes. So we'll draw a smallest cup. See this. Now we'll find out a little bit bigger than this. The smallest one I have a draw here. Now let's find out the bigger, little bit bigger than this cup. This one, or this one. Yes, this one. So let's draw the cup. Now we will find out a little bit bigger than this cup. This one is the smallest one, then a smaller one, and here is a small one, this one. So now we'll draw this cup. Draw a slipping line, then a curve shape, and one more curve shape, and join it here. Now find out the biggest one cup. And which is that? Yes, this one. So now we will make a biggest cup. See, like this. And one handle. See this. A small to big. Small to big. This is ascending order. Now we'll find out a small to big sequence in cake. So let's find out the smallest cake. Where is that smallest cake? Yes, this one. So now we'll make a smallest one cake. All of you have to draw like this. Now we'll draw a little bit bigger than this. So where is that cake which is little bit bigger than this cake? This one or this one? Yes, this one. So let's draw the cake. Yes, we have to decorate this one also. Now let's find out the little bit bigger than this one. And which cake is that? This one? Yes. So we'll draw this one. See, this way we are going to draw a cake. And it has 5 candles also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will find out the biggest one. And which is that? Not this one, not this one, not this one. Then where is the biggest one? See, it is here. Now we are going to draw this a biggest one. It has a 3 layers. How many layers? 3. Now we'll draw some chocolate also. Now see this, we have arranged all the cakes from smallest one to biggest one. Smallest, then little bit bigger than this, then little bit bigger than that, and a biggest one. Small to big, small to big, small to big. It means all these pictures are in ascending order. In which order? In ascending order. Thank you.